A lot of stuff, man. Everything. I'm telling you, everything is just crazy stuff, right? Crazy stuff. You know, I haven't heard one sneeze since all this began. Not one. Everybody, but I see a lot of people walking like this. And red. The other day I was like, in line, that 6 feet, right? So, like a freaking, like 6 feet. I'm trying to see if I can get 6 feet between my opening my legs so I can do it in one step. So the other day, so the other day I wanted to sneeze, right? So I got the mask going. Yeah. So I'm like freaking out because you know what? You can get pounded for doing that. Everybody's like, so like,